So hi guys. So today I want to analyze GBPUSD. And firstly, before I continue to the analysis, I want to explain why GBP is currently trending lower and lower. So to the first thing that I want us to notice here is that there is a spike. This big spike up. There is a big spike up right here that is telling others there is a downtrend already. And someone should ask me that why should I count this spike as valid since it didn't get this high? Someone should ask me that why did I check this? Let's go back to our USD currency value. That is what we use to determine the move of USD. That is our DXY, the US dollar index. Let's check our US dollar index, my analysis on US dollar index. We can see that here, US dollar has already cleared the low of this of the lower low here. USD has already spiked and cleared the low. It is a clear indication that we are already heading for a bullish turn. I have been bullish on this pair, and you can see I speculated it from right here that since it's broke this little high, retest it, that has a much momentum. Mind you, there's something that most traders usually have issue with, and that is other block selecting. Most people will just take this place, they will choose this as the other block, which is quite untrue. But on a normal sense, this is a real, this is what we call order block. That is this whole block on this high to this low is our order block. So just take note of that. I learned that when I was trading good, and I know that I really learned it, and it has been working since then. So I traded it and it broke this high. It broke this high. After it broke this high, then I already believe that we are heading bullish. This is an inducement, but we should choose here as our order block. But why I didn't choose that is that there is a fair value gap under this order block, and there is a bunch of liquidity here because the market has been choppy and created series of consolidation that might tempt people to buy from there. So I chose the fair value gap instead, and we are beginning to move upward. So let's get back to GBPUSD. So this GBPUSD, we already know that we are on a more journey for a downtrend. So we find out that this one dropped down, and we see our what we see that the market already begins to make series of higher highs, lower lows, higher high, lower low, lower high, sorry, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and sorts like that. So let's leave that for that. After that, let's come down to the real chart here. After that, we can notice that the market will also go down here. And why will the market go down? Because US dollars is already making momentum for a buy. So it means that once the US dollar is going high, we are going lower on the other pair. That is our USD GBP JPY. So now we can see that there is a liquidity grab here. If that's AB, check that on higher time frame, but time won't permit that. So the liquidity grab highlight this moved, and I was very humble and calm on US dollar. I didn't try to buy anywhere from here. I didn't attempt that. So this is my speculation for it to start buying from here again. So back to our GBP. So it's multi, and we already know that the market is already going down. The market will begin to go down, and there's something here that I want to explain particularly. Yes, I want to explain something right here. Why does the chart not get back to this place? This place, to be precise. Why does the chart doesn't get to that side? Let me draw that again. This place. This is our what? Our breakaway guide. That is, we are not expecting the market to reach here anymore. We don't expect it to get here, so we are basically trading under the breakaway graph. If we check on our higher time, we will find the graph. This is 1 hour charts. So then my booster for this week is that we are not expecting market to get here, and we are looking for this region. I made mention of something. When we are drawing our other block, we must take the whole block right from this little low to this high. What did we notice here? What do we notice here? We notice that the market was the 15-minute time frame. We notice that the market pushed down. The market was pushed down, and we are expecting a freak of structure right here, if you can get it, and what's expecting this other block to be filled. This block, we want this block to be filled, and yes, we are ready for sale because this place has it has already structure, market structure shifts. So overall, we are from here down to this side. So thank you.